In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Confluence page. If you're working on projects that require collaboration, knowing how to efficiently copy and share Confluence pages can be a huge time saver. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together so you can become proficient in managing your Confluence pages. To start, you'll want to begin on your Confluence homepage. This is essentially your launchpad, where all your workspaces and projects come together. Navigating from this central hub is crucial for keeping everything organized. Once you're on the home page, you should see a list or grid of your workspaces. Each workspace represents a different project or team effort that you're a part of or managing. Now, what you'll need to do is choose the specific workspace where the page you'd like to copy resides. Picking the correct workspace ensures you're working with the right set of documents and avoids any unnecessary confusion later on. Once you've clicked into your chosen workspace, you'll be presented with a list of pages and content associated with that project. Next, find the precise page you intend to copy. Here's the tip. Look for the three dots, or ellipsis, that's positioned next to the page title. These three dots are your gateway to a host of page options, including the option to copy the page. After clicking on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the Copy option. Doing so generates a duplicate of the original page, allowing you to then modify it without affecting the existing content. This is especially useful if you want to create templates or slightly alter the page for different audiences or purposes. Once the page is copied, a link is generated that you can easily share with others. This feature is perfect for quickly disseminating information across your team. Whether you need to share updates, gather input, or distribute reports, having a shareable link ensures that everyone has access to the information they need. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and distribute your Confluence content. With practice, these actions will become second nature, enhancing your productivity and collaboration efforts. Remember, sharing information seamlessly is key to successful teamwork, and mastering these steps is a great move towards achieving that. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and leveraging Confluence to its fullest potential.